So this is actually already happening. And a lot of factories in China, when Trump put in the 25% tariffs in his last presidency, a lot of companies in China, a lot of factories did move out of China. And I just want to make it very, very clear that China is responding to their customers. These Chinese factories are responding to the needs of their customers. Who are their customers? We are. We are the ones demanding lower prices. We are the ones pressuring them to circumvent the tariffs. We are the ones who want to buy cheaper goods. So the Chinese factories are responding to their customers and they're serving the needs of their customers, which means the importers in the US are saying, well, I'm going to buy from a country that doesn't have tariffs. So the Chinese factory is like, okay, sure. They pack up all their machinery, and this is how it works. They pack up all their machinery and they ship it to a new facility in Southeast Asia where they set it all up. They bring their engineers and quality control staff over and they start producing in the new country that is not subject to tariffs. So in some instances as well, it's literally just a warehouse that this person is talking about. It's sometimes just an assembly plant where all of the parts come from China still. Because honestly, many parts and many components of products are not produced anywhere else. So they have to be produced in China no matter what. But when the products ship out of that country that is not China and not subject to tariffs, it arrives in the US port, and the importer, again, us, on the US side, American companies then do not have to pay the tariff and they get the cheaper cost, which means they sell it to you in stores for a cheaper cost. So I just want to make it very clear that we are the ones driving this. This is not China trying to screw anyone over. This is China, the Chinese factories responding to their customers and giving their customers what they want so they can continue making money and the customers continue to get the price that they want, that they feel they can sell to the American consumer. That's a really important distinction, I think, to make, because it's very easy to say, look what they're doing. They're just running around and avoiding tariffs. That's because we're driving this. We want the cheaper cost. American customers still want to buy cheaply with no tariff goods. So this is what's happening.